Assalamu alaikum students, Fahad Ahmad is here. As you all know that we are on a chapter number 4, basic geometrical shape. So the topic which we are going to discuss today is complementary and supplementary angles. Okay, so let's start. First of all, let's move towards the definition of complementary angles. So just keep in your mind that if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then we say that both angles are complementary of each other. यानी अगर कभी भी आपको दो एंगल दिए जाएं और उन दोनों एंगल को प्लस करने के बाद if you are getting 90, then you can say that my angles are complementary. So two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angle. Let's check some examples. 60 and 30. Yes, because 60 and 30, when they are added together, they will give you 90 degree. Same as 10 and 80. And third example is 25 and 65. Okay, now let's move towards supplementary angles. Okay, so it's same as complementary, which is two angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री के अंदर आपको ये बताया था कि अगर सम करके आंसर 90 आ रहा सो दे आर सब कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, बट इफ यू आर गेटिंग 180 देन यू कैन से दैट एंगल्स आर सप्लीमेंट्री. Some examples. Example 1 is 60 and 120 because when they are added they will give you 180 degree. 10 and 170, and third one is 125 and 55. Okay class, so now it's time for the questions. Your question is find the complement of following angles. Number 1 is 60. You just have to tell the partner of 60 which will give you 90 degree. So the proper method to solve this is let the complement of 60 is x. ठीक है, आपने let करना है कि आपको 60 के वो दूसरा पार्टनर नहीं पता जो इसमें प्लस करके आंसर 90 देगा, तो you have to suppose that the partner is x. Okay, then you have to write in this condition 60 plus x is equal to 90 के 60 और उसका पार्टनर प्लस होके 90 देते हैं and you have to find out what is x. Now what will you do? You have to shift this 60 from this side to this, from left to right. Okay, you can see that 60 यहाँ पे plus हो रहा है. Then when will you move? When you will move 60 from here to 90, it will become minus. कि 60 यहाँ प्लस हो रहा है, लेकिन जब ये 90 के पास जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा माइनस. ओके, एंड 90 में 60 माइनस के यू विल गेट 30. नाउ यू कैन चेक योर आंसर कि 60 और 30 प्लस होकर 90 देते हैं या नहीं. यस, बिकॉज 60 and 30 when they are added they gives 90 degree. Next is 18 degree. Again you have to apply the same method. Let the complement of 18 is x. Okay, you have to write in this way 18 plus x is equal to 90. You have to shift 18 from left to right. Okay, x is equal to 90 minus 18 because 18 was, yes, because 18 वहाँ पे plus हो रहा था, तो now you have to minus from this side from 90 and now you will get x is equal to 72. Okay class, so the next is find the supplement of following angles. Number 1 is 150 degree. Okay, the same method, let the supplement of 150 is y. You can use any alphabet here, x, y, z or any. 150 plus y is equal to 180. You have to shift 150 from this side to this. Y is equal to 180 minus 150 and finally you will get 30. Similarly, you have to apply the same method on 36. Okay class, so I'm sure that you have understood today's lecture. Okay class, Allah Hafiz. Now let's meet in the next video soon.